Welcome to Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. We're passionate about transforming discarded wood into beautiful, profitable furniture. Stay tuned for creative ideas and tips. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring craft and decor content. Join us on this eco-friendly journey today. We've got you covered. Stay tuned as we share tips on garden decor, its importance, and how to refresh your garden all year round. Creating beautiful and durable wooden pieces through handmade gift projects is an art that combines craftsmanship, creativity, and passion. Wooden gifts have a timeless appeal because of their natural beauty, unique grains, and the ability to craft personalized items that resonate with recipients. Whether you're a hobbyist or aspiring entrepreneur, turning your woodworking skills into a profitable venture requires dedication, precision, and an eye for detail. The beauty of handmade wooden gifts lies not just in their aesthetic appeal but also in their durability, making them ideal keepsakes and functional items. From small decorative pieces to larger furniture, each project can be tailored to meet market demands. Moreover, with the right techniques and creativity, you can create a diverse product range that appeals to different customer segments. The key is to focus on high-quality craftsmanship, ensure choosing the right type of wood is fundamental to creating durable and beautiful wooden gift pieces. Not all woods are suitable for every project. Some woods are harder, more resistant to wear, and possess a richer aesthetic appeal. Hardwoods like oak, walnut, cherry, and maple are popular choices because they provide strength, longevity, and a stunning finish. Softwoods such as pine and cedar are easier to work with and can be ideal for decorative items or projects requiring intricate carving. When selecting wood, consider factors like grain pattern, color, and moisture content to ensure your finished product is high quality and resistant to warping or cracking over time. Proper drying and storage of wood are equally important to prevent defects. Always source your materials from reputable suppliers who provide kiln-dried, defect-free wood. Investing in quality raw materials lays the foundation for creating handcrafted wooden gifts that stand the test of time. This attention to detail will not only enhance the appearance but also increase customer satisfaction and the overall value of your products. To produce beautiful and durable wooden gifts, having the right tools and mastering essential techniques is crucial. Basic woodworking tools include saws, chisels, carving knives, sanders, drills, and clamps. Power tools like jigsaws, routers, and planers can speed up the process and improve precision. Equally important are safety gear such as goggles, masks, and gloves to protect yourself during work. Techniques such as carving, sanding, staining, and finishing help transform raw wood into polished, attractive pieces. For intricate designs, learn advanced methods like pyrography or inlay work to add decorative touches. Proper sanding with different grit levels ensures a smooth surface, reducing the chances of splinters and enhancing the appearance. Applying a quality finish, such as oil, lacquer, or varnish, protects the wood from moisture and wear, extending its lifespan. Developing your skills through tutorials, workshops, or apprenticeships will improve your craftsmanship. Consistently practicing and refining your techniques will result in higher quality products that appeal to discerning customers seeking unique, handcrafted wooden gifts. Design is the heart of creating marketable wooden gifts. Innovative, functional, and aesthetically pleasing designs attract buyers and set your products apart. Start by researching current trends in home decor, personalized gifts, and eco-friendly products. Think about creating versatile items like coasters, candle holders, jewelry boxes, or photo frames that appeal to a broad audience. Customization options, such as engraved names or messages, add sentimental value and boost sales. Sketching your ideas before starting the project helps visualize the final product and plan the necessary steps. Incorporate natural elements like live edges, contrasting woods, or intricate carving to add uniqueness. Remember that simplicity often sells. Clean lines and minimalist styles are popular. Ensure your designs are functional, durable, and easy to produce. Testing prototypes and gathering feedback from potential customers can refine your ideas further. By focusing on innovative, well-crafted designs, you'll create wooden gifts that not only look beautiful but also meet the practical needs of your target market. Precision in craftsmanship directly impacts the durability of your wooden gifts. Proper measurement, cutting, and assembly techniques ensure your pieces fit perfectly and withstand daily use. Use measuring tools like rulers, squares, and calipers to achieve accuracy in every cut. Cutting should be done carefully to avoid splintering or uneven edges, which can compromise strength. Joinery techniques such as dovetail, mortise and tenon, or dowel joints provide sturdy connections that last over time. Clamping pieces securely during gluing ensures tight bonds without gaps or weaknesses. Once assembled, sanding smooth surfaces eliminates rough edges and prepares the wood for finishing. Applying multiple coats of protective finish enhances durability, protecting against moisture, pests, and wear. Pay attention to details like rounded edges and reinforced corners, especially for functional items like boxes or furniture. Consistent quality control throughout the process guarantees each gift meets high standards. Precision craftsmanship not only elevates the aesthetic appeal but also ensures your wooden gifts are durable and capable of becoming cherished keepsakes for years to come. Start with thorough sanding, progressing through finer grits for a silky smooth surface. Staining can enrich the wood's color and highlight grain patterns, but choose stains that are compatible with the type of wood used. For a natural look, consider clear finishes like oil or wax, which penetrate the wood and enhance its appearance. For more durable protection, apply varnishes or polyurethanes that form a hard, protective coating. Multiple coats, with light sanding in between, ensure a smooth, even surface. Special techniques like distressing or antiquing can give your gifts a vintage charm. Proper curing time is essential before handling or gifting the finished product. Regular maintenance, such as reapplying finishes or cleaning, will keep your wooden gifts looking beautiful over time. Mastering finishing techniques elevates your craftsmanship and significantly increases the perceived value of your handmade wooden projects. Effective marketing is vital to turn your handmade wooden gifts into a sustainable income source. Start by creating an attractive portfolio of your best work, showcasing the variety and quality of your products. Use high-quality photographs and detailed descriptions to highlight the craftsmanship, materials, and unique features of each piece. Establish an online presence through social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or Pinterest, where visual appeal attracts potential customers. Consider setting up an online store on marketplaces like Etsy or Shopify to reach a broader audience. Participating in local craft fairs, markets, or pop-up shops can also boost visibility. Pricing your handmade wooden gifts appropriately is key to profitability while remaining attractive to customers. Begin by calculating your costs, including raw materials, tools, finishing supplies, and labor time. Add a markup that covers overhead expenses and provides a reasonable profit margin. Research what similar products sell for in your market to ensure your prices are competitive, yet fair. Consider offering tiered pricing for different sizes, complexities, or customizations. Don't undervalue your craftsmanship. Handmade items often command premium prices due to their uniqueness and quality. Offering bundle deals or discounts for repeat. Thank you for visiting Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. We appreciate your support and interest in sustainable furniture making. If you enjoyed this content, please subscribe to our channel for more inspiring tips and ideas. Together, we can create beautiful, eco-friendly pieces and make a positive impact.